Hindi daw po eh. Sorry. Ayun yung
So, para di ka taga dito sa...
pang isa.
Last throw.
Last throw po, ready to jump, charot.
Basket.
Basket po, jersey number 3.
All takin po, yung accessories, pakitanggal po. Pakitanggal po.
Ball possession po. Box. Salaudes. Number jersey 25. Salaudes. So number ano? Wala. Wala ng City Bin. Jersey number 17. Kumuha ng Perez. Stress box. 3 points. Number 49. Number 49. Sabihin, no good. Foul. Number 8. First personal foul. First foul. 13. Sorry, 13. Dalam. Let's jump. Basket. Number 24, pass to number 17, makatangay. Makatangay, pass to number 24, pass to JD. Long three, no good. Nakuha na number makatangay. Single, 14-second shot clock. Inbound by number 17, pass to number 24 sa gilid. Basket by number 24. Inbound the ball by number 25 to 49. Rodriguez nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 25. Pumuhol ng press. No good. Pass to JD. Jersey number 3, pass to makatangay. To JD again. JD to gilid. No good. Inbound the ball by jersey number 21. To number 17, pass to JD. Sa gilid. Basket by jersey number 3. Number 49. Rodriguez. Nasang number 20. Nakuha ulit si number 24. Pass to number 17. Number 17, pumuhol ng dos. No good. Nakuha ulit si number 21. Nakuha si number 13. Pass to number 25. Nakuha ni JD. Nakuha ni 25 Rodriguez to 49. Umikot pa. Basket by jersey number 49. Siktas po. Number 21, pass to makatangay, pass to number 24. 24 de la Cruz, binalik, no good. Pass to JD. Jersey number 3 po. 25. 20 shot clock. 49 Rodriguez. Pass to tumuhol na 3. No good. 13 Dela pass to number 17. 19 shot clock. Number 13. No good. Nakuha ni number 49 Rodriguez. Pass to 25 Salaudes. Thomas. Basket by jersey number 15. Number 17, nakatangay, bababa ng bola. 15 shot clock. Basket, 3 points. The number 17, nakatangay. 49 Rodriguez, hindi ko ang bola Rodriguez. Pass to number 25, Salaudes to Rodriguez. Rodriguez tumukol ng 3 points. The number 49, batting the ball by number 24. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Makatangay. Makatangay pass to Hagad. Hagad. Long two. No good. Rebound by number 05 to Lopez. Lopez to Salaudes. Salaudes sa gilid. Basket by number 25. And basketball by jersey number 24. Pass to Hagad. Pass to Makatangay. Nakuha ni 21. Hagad sa gilid. No good. Rebound by number 49. Rodriguez. Rodriguez nagbababa ng bola. Rodriguez hindi pa ang bola. 15 Estomo. Wala, ay na si Estomo. 10 second shot clock. Nakuha ni Hagad, number 21. Number 21. No good. Bola na. 14 to shoot. Makatangay inbound the ball. Pass to JD, number 3, basket. Yes, po, number 3. Rodriguez, 49. Rodriguez. Pasok. 3 points by number 14. Number 17, Nakatangay. Pass to number 24. To JD, number 3. Jersey number 3. Foul. Ha? Holding foul, number 15. First personal foul, second team foul. Ay, first team foul. Number 3, inbound the ball. Tumatangay, 17 to Delara, 13. Offensive foul by number 13. Inbound the ball by jersey number 15. To 49, Rodriguez nagbababa ng bola. Rodriguez, 18 shot clock. Kumuha ng first over, nakuha ni number 15. Delara. Sa kilid, no good. Foul, 49. First personal foul, first team foul.
Idol, paki-shoutout naman yung sinaing. Amoy na ka mo, baka sunog na yung sinaing. Sayo!
Sinaing po! Umuwi muna, may sinaing. First drop? No good. Second throw, by jersey number 13, no good. Nakuha ni number 24, no good pa rin. Followed by Jade. Makatangay, no good. 17 tulo, pinasa kay Lopez. 0-5, kanya-kanya ba? Basket by jersey number 05, Lopez. Inbound the ball by jersey number 21. All 15 po. Number 3, Hagad. Hagad pass to 17, Nakatangay. To 21, no good. 15 shot clock. Jersey number, nakuha ni number 49, Rodriguez. Rodriguez sa basket. Remaining time po natin, 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Inbound jersey number 24 to Makatangay na 17. Number 17, pass to JD. Nakuha ni Lopez, 0-5. Lopez. Sa gilid. No good. Inbound the ball by rebound by jersey number 3. Hagad. Ayan na sa gilid. Then, no good then. Foul ulit siya. Same ball po. 14 to shoot. Number 3, pass to number 17 to Delara. Sa gilid din. Basket by jersey number 13 and valid naman jersey number 49 to 13. 49 again. Nagbababa ng bola. Rodriguez. Pass to jersey. Pumukol ng tres, no good. Nakuha na Delara na jersey number 13. 13 pass to Makatangay. Number 17. Number 17. Pass to 24. 10 ball. Bola na. Thank you. 24. Nakuha ni number 13. Number 13 pass to Salaude. Number 25. Pass to Rodriguez. 49. 49 sa ilalim. No good. Nakuha ni number 2. Number 24. To Hagat. Hagat JD. Pass to 17. Nakatangay. To number 13. Wala ulit. Nakuha ulit ni number 13. Estomo. Number 15 to 49. Rodriguez. Sumunod sa gilid. Basket by jersey number 49. Bottom the ball by jersey number 24. Pass to number 17. Pass to JD. JD. Foul.
Mama yung paa,
25 sa Laude. Warning for penalty in substitution ref. First ka po ay JD. Agad. Number 3 na si JD. Basketball. Rebound by jersey number 30, no good. And balance the ball by number 49 to Salaude to 49 again, Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Sumukol ang press. No good. 15 shot clock. 3 points. Tumakatangay. Tuhagat number 3. Makatangay. Sumukol ang press. 3 points. Nakatangay. Bago mamadyosin ako 39 Rodriguez. Pass to number Estala. Basket by jersey number 15. And bago na by jersey number 3 to 17.
Kumay.
Okay, totoo ka mo lang yung tab.
Number 3, JD.
Totoo ka mo na yung tab.
15 to shoot.
Kumay ha, kumay.
Hagat. Pass to Mata. 10 to shoot. Makatangay. Pass to JD again. No good. Follow by 24. Nakuha ni JD to 24 again. Basket by jersey number 24. 24 seconds. 49 Rodriguez. Rodriguez sa gilid. No good. Follow by 25. No good. Wala na po tayong shot clock. 13 seconds remaining time. Back the ball by jersey number 49. 10 seconds. 8. Nakuha ni Makatangay to Hagat 21. Get by jersey na 3 seconds. 1 second. Passes na. TTD. Ang body na po by jersey number 28. Pass to Makatangay. Makatangay. Pass to Derera. Sa gilid. No good. Rebound na. Basket by jersey number 13. 13 to 14. Rodriguez sa baba ng bola. Pass to Estomo. Pass to 25 sa Laude sa gilid. No good. Rebound by jersey number. Nakuha ni number 3. Nakalan. Pumukol ng dos. Sumot ng dos. Makatangay. 15 to shoot. 2. Long shoot. Good. 13 to 49. Rodriguez. Rodriguez.
Boy.
Oh. 40 to shoot.
Foul number 25. First personal foul. First team foul. Basket. Balik sa laro. Okay, second throw by Salaude. Ready throw. Pasok. Basket. Okay, rebound the ball. May number, Makatangay. Pinasa kay 13. Oh. Okay, rebound the ball by number 28. Pinasa kay Makatangay. Rebound the ball by 17. Okay. Rebound the ball. Pinasa kay 28. Okay, rebounding the ball by Rodriguez, 49. Nagbabawa na bola rin sa gilid. No good. Nakuha ni Makatangay. Number 13, nakuha. Nasa-technique 30. Nakuha na 24. Pinasa kay Delana. Time to shoot. Okay, nakuha ni Salaude. Traveling. Time up, CTB. Okay, rebounding the ball by number 17. Pinasa kay 28. Naku. Pasok by number 29. Okay, rebounding the ball by 49. Rodriguez, pinasa kay Tomo. Foul. Foul number 25. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Third throw by Estomo. Basket. Last throw by Estomo. Ready to jump? Okay, nakuha ni number 29. Ngayon, rebounding the ball by number 28. Pinasa kay Makatangay. Rebounding the ball. Pasok by Makatangay. Okay, rebounding the ball by Rodriguez, number 49. Number 49.
By jersey number. Number 17. Binababa ang bola. Number 17. Pass to number 25. To 28 to 17 again. Pumukul ng 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number. Nakuha ni 13. Basket by jersey number 13. And battle the ball by number 13. To 49, Rodriguez binababa ang bot. Rodriguez pass to Estomo nakuha ni number 13, pass to number 29, nawala ang bola. Nabalabas daw po. Bola ng purok 5. Remaining time po natin 6 minutes. Inbound the ball by jersey number 49 to 25. To 49 again, Rodriguez, binababa ang bola. Ayan na. Sumukot ng 3. No good. Bola na ang CTB. Takin po tayo And then, 29 to 17, Makatangay. Makatangay sa gilid. Basket by jersey number 17. Battle the ball by jersey number 25 to Tanod. Akat. 225 to 49, Rodriguez pass to Nokalan, no good. Rebound by number 17, Makatangay. Number 17, napakabilis. Nawala ang bola na nasa sa number 49, Rodriguez, ayan na siya. Bigale, no good. Nawala number 13. Foul. 25. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Pasok na po. Pasok. Lawas ng labas. Kuha po kayo. Tanod. First draw. Takin pa. No good. Second foul po. Second foul po. No good again. Nakuha ni number 13 to Estomo. Pass to 49, Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Tres, no good. 17 to number 3 to 29. Easy 2 points by Jersey, 29. Holding foul. Basket. Foul, number 15. Second personal foul. First team foul. First jump up by Jersey number 29.
Okay.
29, no good. First draw, ay yan si jump na pala. 25, 2. 49 sa gilid, basket. 15, shot clock. Number 7. Time out. Alaban 27. Tres no good. Nakuha ni 13. 13, Dalara. Pass to number 17. Nakatangay. Third drop, no good. Nakuha ni 49, Rodriguez. 49, pass to Estomo sa kilid din. 15, basket by jersey number 15. Inbound the ball by 33 to 17. 17, pass to Makatangay. Makatangay, pass to 17 to 13, Delara. Time to shoot. Number 29, pass to number 3, Hagad. No good pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 49, Rodriguez. Ginawang ang bola sa gilid. Basket by jersey number 49. Vulnerable by jersey number 3. Pass to 17. 17. Foul. 49. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Vulnerable by jersey number 3. Pass to 17. Makatangay. Pass to 29 sa gilid. Long two. No good. Rebound by jersey number 13. Tanod. Pass to 15. Estomo. To Alave. Nagalang 3. Long to pala. No good. Follow by. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni 17. Pass to number 13. 13. Jersey number 13. Delara. Basket. Nagalang the ball by jersey number 13. To 49. To Estomo. Sa ilalim, basket by jersey number 15. Bari the ball by jersey 17. Pass to Makatangay, 17 din. Pass to 17. Makatangay. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pumukol ng 3 points by jersey number 17. Makatangay. 49 to Estomo. Estomo po po ng 3. No good. Rebound by Hagad. Nakuha ni number 17. Pass to Makatangay to jersey number 3. Hagad received 2 points by number 3. Batted the ball by 49. Pass to 15. Estomo 49 again. Rodriguez binababa ang bola. Rodriguez. Basket by jersey 49. Last 2 minutes. Number 17 pumukol ng 3 points by jersey number 17, Makatangay. 49, Rodriguez binababa ang bola. Foul. Number 13. First personal foul. Warning sa penalty. Parok 5.
Saan yung dalawa?
Inbound the ball by jersey number 27, Alave. Pass to 15. 49, Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Ayan na, sa gilid, no good. Rebound by jersey number 13, Delara, pass to 29. Number 29. Inbounding the ball by number 15, pass to 05, Lopez. Lopez nagbababa ng bola. Lopez, pass to 49, Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Naglong to no good. Followed by 05, wala pa rin. Number 10, basket. Pass to Delara. Delara pass to JD. Number 3, foul. 05. Pass to select. Third, second personal foul. Third team foul. 13. Ah? 18 to 6. JD. Pass to. Walang nalawas. Anik po kayo. First draw. Pumasok ka na.
Safe position tayo, Black.
Bola po ng TTD. Oras po natin 51 seconds. 15 to 6. Nabali na ball. By jersey. Number 3. Pass to 6 to JD. JD. Pass to Makatangay. Send to shoot. Send to shoot. Makatangay. Bumukol ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 05. Pass to 49. Rodriguez. 38 seconds. Bola na. Last 30 seconds. Makatangay pass to number 3. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Haga. Foul. Salarde. 25. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Both teams. Number 13. Technical. Continuous complaining. Last 25 seconds. Official score po natin 49-47 in favor of CTB. And bago na go by jersey number 6 passing 21 Hagad. Basket by jersey number 21. 19 seconds. 21 Hagad. Pass to Makatangay. 14 seconds. Number 21, all good. Running time po tayo, 7, 6, 5, 2, back na lang ba ang maririnig? And back to ball by jersey number 49, Rodriguez, pinsan na po pala tayo. Estomo, pumukol ng 3, no good. Nakatangay. Nakatangay. Jersey number 17 sa gilid. 2 points with number 17. Number 49. 49 Rodriguez. Pupukol din ng 3. 3 points with number 49 Rodriguez. Inbound the ball by jersey number 21. Tumakatangay to JD. JD. Number 3. Foul. 0-5. Blocking foul. Third personal foul. First team foul. Thank you, shoot. Nakuha ni Lopez. Lopez 0-5 sa gilid. Using 2 points. number 2, 5. Number 21, pass to number 3, Haggard. Haggard. Dua-dua, sabi dari pass to. Naugad na kuha ng 21, Haggard. Pumuhin na lang po, 3 points. Number 49. 49 pass to 25. Salaude. Pass to Estomo. Estomo. Masiriam, no good. Nakuha ni number 13, Tanod. Sa gilid, no good. Rebound by jersey number 13. Pass to mga takay. Number 17. Number 17. Wala. Number 17 again. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 13. Wala bola. Sabi ko sa red. Po. Pass to mga tangay. Ginagawa ang bola. 15 to shoot. Mga tangay, pass to nila. Mag-ingat na ako sa alam mo. Okay.
Ngayon kita na rin.
Pass to 49. Rodriguez sa kilid. Basket by number 49. Magaling na po by jersey number 32. So number 20, wait lang. Number 10, Haggard. Haggard. Nakuha ni wala. Pass 2. Point by Bailey. Point by Bailey. Foul. Number 13. Third personal foul. Second foul. First team foul. First dribble, 49. Basket. Last throw, ready to jump. Basket. Basketball by number 17, pass to 21, Haggard. Haggard to number 17, pass to number 3, to Dalara. Number 49, Rodriguez. Rodriguez pa ilalim. No good. Nakuha ni Dalara, pass to Haggard. Basket by number 33. Pass to 10 to 25 Salaude. Salaude sa mga no good. Followed by 49. 2 points. Number 13 to 21 Haggard. Haggard number 21, 15 to shoot. To number 3, pass to 24, 10 to shoot. Foul.
Number 10.
Number 10, pushing foul. Time out, blocking. Third personal foul, second team foul.
Laki-laki mo. Kakainin mo na. Tatanong lang naman yung mga bata. Hindi ko pwede decision na namin.
Inbound the ball, 14 to shoot. JD Dumolang. Nakuha ni 49 Rodriguez, pass to 25. Easy to fall by jersey number 25. Makatangay. Pass to 49 Rodriguez, pass to Lopez. Lopez, sa gilid, no good. Shout out po kay SK, no? 50 to shoot. Pass to 49 Rodriguez. Rodriguez, 10 to shoot. Pass to Salaudes. Gumagawa. 5 to shoot. No good. 10 to 25. 82 points for jersey number 25. 2-15 to 25 ulit Salaudes. 49 Rodriguez Sinatra. Laro mo ba jersey number 17 pass mo sa ganyan again. 17 to 3 to 2 number 3 Haggard, basket foul number 13 first personal foul 13 foul na po. Bonus shot ready to go. Basketball. Piece of over 65-60 favor of PTD. Remaining time 4 minutes and 9 seconds. 49 Rodriguez. Bola Rodriguez pass to 25 pass to Rodriguez again. 49 jersey bumukol ng Rodriguez. No good rebound guys. Nakuha ni Stomo. Bumukol ng dos. No good rebound 24. Jersey number 20, pass to Makatangay. Makatangay, number 17, rebound bola, 15 to shoot. Number 17 to number 3, Haggard, sa ilalim, no good. 10 to shoot. Number 13, no good pa rin, nakuha ni 49, Rodriguez. Rodriguez na makabilis na rebound bola. Sa 49 to 5. Nakuha ni Nesto mo. Wala. Inbounded goal by 21 Haggard to 17 Nakatangay. Nakatangay. Nakatangay pass to 13 Delara. Huwag pa rin. 13 Tanod pass to 49 Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Pumeke pa yun. Nakuha ni 24. Foul. 49. Warning for foul out. Warning for penalty. Inbounded goal by 21 Haggard pass to JD. Number 3. The 17 Nakatangay. Nakatangay. 17. Set to shoot. Number 13. Number 5. Penalty. Warning for foul out ka na po. Number 5. First throw po by jersey number 13. Basket. Second throw po. Ready to jump. No good. Nakuha ni Tanad pass by rebound team. Pass to 49. Jersey number 49 Rodriguez. Rodriguez pass to 25 Salaudes sumugol ng 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 13 Delara. Pass to 17 Makatangay. Makatangay ginababa ang bola. Makatangay. Last 2 minutes. Delara no good. Nakuha ni Makatangay. Pass to 24. No good pa rin. Delara. Foul. number 10. 10. Second personal foul, penalty. 2 shots again. First draw, basket by jersey number 13. Second draw, ready to jump. No good. Rebound by 13, pass to 49 Rodriguez. Rodriguez, binababa ang bola. Rodriguez, sa gilid. Basket by jersey 49. Batting the ball by 13, pass to Makapangay. Remaining set po natin, 1 minute and 30. Basket. Makapangay, binababa ang bola. 15 to shoot. Makapangay. Pass to 20 for 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound. Bola na para Durok 5. 49 Rodriguez. No pa ang bola. Rodriguez naghanap ng pabasahan. 1 minute, 15 to shoot. No good. Nakuha ni 24. Pass to Makatanga. 59 seconds. JD sa gilid. Basket by number 3. Rebound the ball by 13. Pass to 10. Pass to Salaude. 3 seconds to shoot. 15 to shoot. Salaude, no good. Nakuha ni number 24. Pass to JD. JD. 40 seconds. 15 to shoot. No good. Running time clock. 34 seconds. 14 to shoot. Nakuha ni De Lara sa gilid. Basket by Darcy number 15. Banalo din si 13. Pass to 49. Wala na pong shot clock. 20 seconds to shoot. No good. Foul. 21. Hagad. 2 shots po. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots po by jersey number 15. Remaining time 19.8 seconds. First draw, basket. Tama po. Last draw, ready to jump. Second draw, basket. 18, 17 seconds. Nakuha ni De Lara. Foul. Kicking the ball pala. Bola na. Parang 5 nakuha ni Rodriguez. 10 seconds. 14 na. Jersey number 9. Unik 4. 3 seconds. Battery na lang po. End of our third quarter. Official score po natin 71-6. 67 lang po. Okay. Let's go. Inbounding the ball by jersey number 13, PTB. Pinasa kay number 3, Hagad. Pass to Hagad, 21-21. Ayan na siya sa kailangan. Maybe 2 points by jersey number 21, Hagad. Nawala ang bola. Inbounding the ball by number 13, pass to 17, Nakatangay. Number 17, Nakatangay, pass to nakuha ni 14 Rodriguez. Rodriguez! Gumagalagan si Rodriguez sa gilid. Foul! Basket. Foul, 24.
Junior and PBL yan. Junior and
First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots by jersey number 49, Rodriguez. 49, first goal, no good, ready to jump. rebound by number 24. Number 24 to number 3, Hagat sa kilid din, no move pa rin sa kanya ulit, kanya-kanya. 2 points by number 3. Imbali na ball by number 05. Tomo! Pass to. Sige, umikot pa! No good, followed by, no good pa rin, nakuha ni Makatangay. Pass to number 3, Hagat. Hagat sa kilid, no good. Foul! 20. 5. Zero by po, foul out ka na po. First, personal foul.
Foul out na rin talaga eh. Bigat na eh.
Graduate na po ah. First row po. First row, basket. Last row, ready to jump. No good. Rebound by number 25, sa Laudes. Sa Laudes, inababa ang bola. 15 to shoot. Pupukul ng 3 points by number 15. Makatangay pass to number 21, Hagan. Number 21, pass to Makatangay, pass to Dalara sa gilid, no good. Follow by Dalara ulit, basket na. Imbang na ball by number 13, pass to number 25. Nawala ang bola. Official score 78-72 in favor of CTB. Remaining time 7 minutes 51 seconds. Number 17, Makatangay. Hey. Makatangay. Set to shoot. Pass to JD. JD to 24. Basket by jersey number 24. Number 13. Pass. Inbounding ball. 49. Rodriguez. Same ball. 14 to shoot. Inbounding ball by 49. Pass to Estomo. No good.
Nasaksikan yung ano mo. Parrex.
Second ready to jump. Basket. Timeout. Torok 5. Official score 84-78 in favor. Inbounding the ball by jersey number 13. Pass to Makatangay. Makatangay. Jersey number 13. Ayan na ang top block. 17. Makatangay. Naglalaro ng kabasahan. Number 17. Tumugol ng Goss. Long two. No good. Nakuha ni 24. No good pa rin. Number 17. Pass to Dalara. Sa gilid. Basket. By number 13. By number 25. 47. Rodriguez. 19 shot clock. Nokala. Tumugol ng long two. Basket. Inbounding the ball by jersey number 13, pass to Makatangay, 17. Pass to JD, number 3. No good. Nakuha ni Canada, nakuha ba ni JD, 21. No good. Rebound by number 25. 25, pass to 49, Rodriguez. Second, no good. Nakuha ni Makatangay. Number 3, basket. Last. 5 minutes. Number 25, ginagawa ang bola. Pass to Estomo. 15, shot lock. No good, nakuha ni 24. Pass to number 17. Number 17, Makatangay. Pass to 14, shot lock, number 3. Traveling violation. Number 25. Number 25, pass to 49. 49, pumukol na press. No Rebound by number 13. Number 13, pass to number 17. Makatangay. Makatangay. Tangay. Wala. Number 17, Renzo. 10 to shoot. Pass to Delara. Delara, ayun na. 10 to shoot. Number 5 foul. Number 13. Running for foul out na po Delara. Third, 13 foul. Number 49, Rodriguez. Bola na. Puro 5. Inbound na po by jersey number 49. Pass to. Natapik. 49, inbound na po. Nakuha ni JC. Wala pa rin. Number 45, pass to 15. Number 15, pass to Bacalan. Bacalan, so good. Running time. Nakuha ni 13, pass to 49. Easy 2 points race, 49. Meron na po ba JD, pass to number 17. 6 na lang po ang laba. JD, 17. Basket. Diba na po ba number 13, pass to 49. 49, 9, no good. Time out. Inbound na ball by jersey number 21, Hanad, pass to 17. Nakatangay, binababa ang bola. Nakatangay. Pass to Berta Laude. Pass to. Na-wait lang daw po. Nabunot po. Committee's timeout po. Wag po na. Basket po. Inbound na po ba jersey number 31 nakatangay. Number 17. 17 pinababa ang bola. 17. Dribbling the ball. Take a shot. Number 17, pass to number 3, Haggard. Easy 2 points for number 3. 40 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Number 13. Sagilid, Logos, nakuha ni number 24. 2 points. Jersey number 24, iba na po by 49 and 30. 49 ulit. Nagbababa ng bola jersey. Number 49, pass to Estomo. Estomo pass to 25 sa Laude. Sa Laude pass to 10 to shoot po tayo. 49. Sa ilalim na ugod, nakuha ni Makatangay. Makatangay. Number 21, sa gilid. Basket by jersey number 21. Ang pangin po by number 13. Pass to sa Laude. Sa Laude. Ayan na sa ilalim dinali. No good. Bola, good. 25 sa Laude. Sa Laude pass to Nukalan. Nukalan pupukol ng 3 kaya. Pupukol ng 3. No good. Nakuha ni 49. Nasundot ni number 24. Pass to Makatangay. Last 1 minute. Makatangay. Pass to Delara. Delara pass to number 3. Haggard. Wala.
1-3
Out of bounds. 14 to shoot. Number 3 ball the ball pass to number 17. 50, 10 to shoot. Foul. Number 15. Estomo. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot. Inbound the ball by 21. Pass to Delara. 5 to shoot. Number 24. Basket. Inbound the ball by number 25. Pass to 13. Pass to Estomo. Estomo bilin sa gilid. Basket by jersey number 15. 33 seconds. number 17, nakatangay. Nakatangay. Binababa ang bola. 26 seconds. Wait lang po. Number 20, 17, pass to 20. 16. Time out, purong 6. Final na po. CTV po. Ang ating ano po ay, ayun na. MVP. Hagat. Jersey number.
Wag! Wag!
Photo up na